Following the arrow marked on the net frame, use a flathead screwdriver to snap the handle away and over the frame. Snap out the other side of the handle on the opposite side of the frame in the same location. Pull the handle off by unseating the handlebar from the two rounded corners of the net frame. Seat the rounded corner of the handle into the net frame and position the handlebar end around and underneath the side of the frame. While securing that side with one hand, pull the other side of the bar over and underneath the opposite side of the net frame. Push the rounded corners of the handlebar down into the net frame on both sides until it snaps into place.